Hello cyber warriors, it's TechAngell again, and today is our very episode of our brand new playlist, which is Introduction to Kali Linux. We'll be diving into the world of ethical hacking, penetration testing, web application testing, and a lot more, and even digital forensic using Kali Linux. If you have ever heard the word penetration testing, Wi-Fi hacking, metasploits, and reverse engineering, and felt confused and curious at the same time, don't worry, you are not alone, and believe me, I got you here. This playlist is built just for you. That's the curious mind ready to learn how the Kali Linux work and how they can use it to defend and also break system. Ethically, of course. What is Kali Linux? Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution designed specifically for penetration testing and digital forensic. It is designed and maintained by the Offensive Security and comes with over 600 pre-installed tools for information gathering, vulnerability scanning, wireless attack, password attacks, and a lot more. But the question here is, why do penetration testers or ethical hackers use Kali Linux? This is because Kali Linux comes with all the things they need to carry out their operation for vulnerability scanning, information gathering, and security assessment. Professionals use Kali Linux for red teaming, bug bounty hunting, security assessment, and also for training environments like the CTF. Some people do ask this question, is Kali Linux legal? Yes, of course. Kali Linux is 100% legal as long as you are using it lawfully and ethically. It's just like when a chef is using a knife to cut its vegetables, and also that same knife can be used by a criminal to attack. It always depends on the intent of the person using the Kali Linux. Make sure that you always get authorization before testing a system. Whether you are a cybersecurity student, a penetration tester, or just so passionate about understanding how systems can be broken or secured, this playlist is for you because Kali Linux skill is something you must have. So here are some of the topics this playlist will cover. We have already discussed and make a video about the installation and setup of your Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So I will just put the link down here so that you will refer to it and learn how to set up your Kali Linux. The next we'll be learning the basics command of Linux using tools like mmap, Hydra, Wireshark, buffsuits, etc. We'll also be running basics penetration testing lab, networking and reconnaissance basics. We'll be discussing about ethical hacking lab setup, reconnaissance and scanning tools, and a lot more. We'll also be working with hacking tools like packet analysis and Wireshark, Metasploit framework, password cracking, web application testing tools, etc. Then exploitation and post-exploitation, where we'll be discussing about privilege escalation basics and maintaining access. Then forensics and defense, where we'll be discussing about digital forensics, log analysis, and defensive security, all with Kali Linux. We will then go to advanced, where we'll be discussing about CTF, try hack me, and hack the box. All what we have learned and discussed, we'll be doing them in CTF and try hack me. Then the last part is wrap up of your job opportunities and career paths in ethical hacking, and also the job opportunities that you can get with just your skills in ethical hacking. If you're excited to unlock the power of Kali Linux and start your journey in ethical hacking, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on that notification button so that you won't miss the next episode. Drop a comment and tell me if you have ever heard about Kali Linux or if this is your first time of hearing about it. I would love to hear your own story. I'm your girl TechAngell, and this is just the beginning of this journey. So see you in our next episode, that's episode 2, where we'll be kickstarting the basics command of Linux. So with that, I sign out. Peace.